Hello guys, welcome back to Logical Programming YouTube channel Challenge 11. Write a program for the given requirement. They have given the input C3, E2, F1 and they have given the output CF, EG, FG. So now we are having the first one is alphabetical and the next one is a number, right? So we have to print a third digit, we have to print a third alphabetical next from C. I mean, what is the third alphabetical next from C? D, E, F. So we have to print F after C, right? And then E, we are having the next digit is 2. We have to print the second alphabetical next from E. What is the second alphabetical next from E? F, G. So G we have to print. And the first alphabetical from next from F. What is the next alphabetical of F? G. So we have to print the output is C, F, E, G, F, G. So we have to implement the logic for this one, right? So now S is equal to, what is the string they have given? C3, E2, F1, right? Yeah. C3, E, E2, F1. So this is the string, and we have to write the logic for this one. In previous example, I already told you how to access each character. For I in S, if I dot is alpha, if it is alphabetical, I'm accessing one by one, and then S1 is equal to one empty string I'm taking here is equal to I. So now I'm going to take here an extra string. S1 is equal to an empty quotes. So I'm taking one previous variable here. I'm collecting this one into previous, and then else if it is not alphabetical, again I'm using is digit method for collecting this, right up to here clear. And then I have to add again to S1, right? And then S1 is equal to S1 character of order of previous into I dot I, right? So we will check the output whether we are getting the output or not. Okay, so now print S1, right? Something went wrong. EIEE, we have to add it, not multiply. Okay, CF, EG, FG, right? So now you have to remember why I'm using here. First thing you have to understand is character of small a. What is the value of small a? Character of a or character of 97. Yeah, character of 97 is small a, right? So you have to remember these 2 points. Character of 97 is nothing but small a. Order of small a is nothing but 97. So you have to remember these 2 points. Now I'm explaining the example. So now here I value again starts with C. C is an alphabetical. So C dot is alpha. Checking the condition, it is true, and it's going to add to the S1. S1 is equal to S1 plus I. So S1 is equal to C. In I we are having C, and then we are going to take the previous value as I. I value we are having C. So previous is C, and then it's going to take the next value is 3, right? So 3 dot is alpha is a false condition. It's coming to else block, and it's going to take here if 3 dot is digit condition true, and we are adding this S1 is equal to, first we have to take this order of previous. So in previous we are having C, right? Order of C is nothing but ASCII value of 97 is nothing but A, right? So 98B, 98C. So 98 plus int of I value is how much? 3, right? I value is how much? 3. 98 plus 3. So we are getting 101. We will check the 101 is the character of the resultant one, E, right? So we are getting 101. but we have to get F, right? So 98 plus 3, or first we have to check the character of 98. 98 is B, right? So the previous value of C, what is the character of C? Order of C. First we have to check order of C. Order of C is nothing but 99. Okay, so now we have to add 99 plus 3. So 99 plus 3 is nothing but 102. So we have to check 102. Character of 102 is nothing but F. So the next value here we are getting is F. So now already in S1 we are having C, and the F will be going to add here, right? CF. So now it's going to take the value as again E. E dot E is alpha. Condition true comes here. S1 is equal to S1 plus I. So now we are going to add here, and the previous value becomes here E, right? Because I value is nothing but E, right? So now the next value it's going to take is 2. I value 2. 2 dot is alpha. Condition false. So from here to it moved else block, and it will come here. It's going to check the condition 2 dot is digit condition true, and then S1 is equal to already S1 we are having the values CFE, right? And then order of previous is nothing but E. So what is the value of order of E? We have to check order of E, right? Order of E is nothing but, sorry, order of character of E, right? String of E is nothing but 101. So 101 plus integer of I is nothing but 2. 101 plus 2, 102, 103. So we have to check the value character of 103, right? Getting G, right? So we have to get here the output as G. So now this S1 becomes CFEG, and like that it's going to take the next one as like F here, and this F will be going to add here, and then it's going to take the value as F, previous value, and it's taking the next one value as I value as like 1, and it's going to print the full output as like this. If you execute this one, you will be getting the same output, right? See here, CFEG. So this is how we have to write the logic for this one. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.